Hotep, mighty scientists of the Congo Nation. I'm Sister Johnson, and welcome to our science lesson. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. We are going to begin our science lesson by taking a look at our scientist spotlight. Today's scientist is Neil deGrasse Tyson.
There I was, being a regular kid until I was 9. And one weekend, we went to the Hayden Planetarium, right here in New York City. And, it's just another museum until they turn out the lights and the stars come out. Back then, space shows were live, and so there's this voice. We are now in the universe, and here are the stars. You're looking up, you don't see anybody, you just hear this voice. So it's like the universe is talking to me. And there was a sky unlike that which I've ever seen, having been born and raised in New York. And there you are, immersed, bathed in the cosmos. And that can be quite influential on a 9-year-old, as it was on me. It's as though you were locked in a room your whole life and then somebody opens a window to a universe, to the universe. 2 years later, my parents bought me my first telescope. Then I saw the sky as sort of the universe had intended it to be seen, bringing the moon to me as never before. That was it. I was hooked. From then on, I wanted to be an astrophysicist. What's fun about telescopes is that if you've never looked through one, and then you look through one for the first time at the moon or at Saturn, it is astonishing. Saturn has rings. Oh my gosh, the moon has craters. Things you've heard about and read about, but to experience them yourself becomes a singular moment in your life. You are there in the universe, and you can't get enough of it. From then to this day, when I look up at the night sky from spectacular vistas, mountaintops, middle of the ocean, I look up, and when I see the night sky, I say, that reminds me of the Hayden Planetarium. In fact, looking back on it, I would say that weekend, the universe called me.
Now that we've learned about our scientists, please answer the following questions. Number 1, what are 3 things that you learned about Neil deGrasse Tyson? Please write 1 sentence for each. Number 2, what does Tyson have in common with the other scientists that we've learned about? Choose 1 scientist and compare Tyson to that scientist. Yay, Bo? All right, Congo Nation, once you're finished number 1 and 2, our science spotlight is complete. I have recognition. I would like to recognize all of the scientists who submitted their observation project, particularly Sister Mackenzie. Sister Mackenzie, you did an amazing job going outside to observe the sun in the morning and the afternoon. So thank you, scholars, for handing in that assignment. If you haven't done so, you can still turn in your observation project. So please go ahead and make sure that you get out into the sunshine and be an observant scientist. Yay, Bo? All right, Congo Nation, our concept today is to continue learning about objects in the sky. We're going to take a look at our 3 essential questions. So we've been learning about objects in the sky for 3 weeks. Each science lesson had a different essential question. We're going to take a look at those essential questions, and then you're going to do a small activity for each. Once you're finished, you're going to do a vocabulary pairing activity. We're going to take a look at all of our vocabulary from this unit, and you're going to make connections between one word and another word. And I'll model how to do that for you. Once we're done those 2 parts of our lesson, then you are going to complete our unit review. Yay, Bo? This unit review is going to act as a quiz. Therefore, you're going to have more than just today to complete your Unit 8 review. I'm going to give you until our next science class. Yay, Bo? So you'll have the weekend to complete your Unit 8 review, and you'll submit it by Tuesday. Yay, Bo? All right, Congo Nation, let's take a look at today's activities. Congo Nation, let's take a look at our essential questions and the activities that go with each. For Lesson 1, our essential question was, what can we see in the sky? To answer that question, you are going to write 3 different objects you can see in the sky. Then write whether you see each one in the nighttime sky, the daytime sky, or both. Please complete that now. Once you're finished, resume this video and we can move on to our second essential question. Welcome back, Congo Nation. For Lesson 2, our essential question was, how does the sky seem to change? For that essential question, you are going to write and describe what seems to happen to the moon's shape over time. How does the moon change, Congo Nation? Please answer that question and do that assignment now. Once you're finished, you can resume the video and we'll move on to our third essential question. Good job, Congo Nation. Our last essential question was for Lesson 3, and it was, how does the sun seem to move? For this essential question, you are going to draw an illustration of how the sun seems to move and write a sentence to go along with your illustration. Yay, Bo? All right, Congo Nation, you can now pause this video and complete the last part of our essential question assignment. Congo Nation, this is our word pair assignment. The first thing you're going to do to complete this assignment is write down these 7 vocabulary terms. Let's read them together. Moja and Billy tattoo. Phases. Magnify. Moon. Shadow. Star. Sun. And telescope. Using these vocabulary terms, you are going to find, write, and explain different ways word pairs are connected. This word here, pairs, means that you're finding 2 words that are connected. Yay, Bo? For example, I see the word sun and the word shadow. So I'm going to write those 2 words down because they're connected. I'm going to write one word, draw an arrow to show that it's connected to the second word. And then I'm going to explain why. Sun and shadow are connected because the sun causes shadows. Yay, Bo? All right, Congo Nation, it's your turn. You are going to choose 2 more word pairs, and you're going to write them in your composition book. Yay, Bo? So find 2 more vocabulary terms that are connected, write them, and then write why they are connected. Then you're going to do it one more time. Go find 2 more words that are connected and explain why. Yay, Bo? All right, Congo Nation. Congo Nation, let's take a look at our Unit 8 review. For numbers 1, 2, and 3, you will use the terms in the purple box to complete the sentences. The vocabulary terms are phases, shadow, and star. Number 1. An object in the sky that gives off its own light is a blank. Please choose the word that best completes the sentence. Number 2. A dark place made where an object blocks light is a blank. Is it phases, shadow, or star? Number 3. The shapes of the moon you see as it moves are its blank. Please choose the vocabulary term to best complete the sentence. Moving on to our science concepts. Fill in the letter of the choice that best answers the question. Number 4. How many stars are in the sky? A. About 20. B. Not enough to be counted. Or C. More than anyone can easily count. Number 5. What objects can we see in the nighttime sky? A. The sun and clouds. B. The moon and stars. Or C. The sun and the moon. For numbers 4 and 5, please write the letter. You will continue writing the letters of the correct answer. Number 6. What heats Earth's land, water, and air? Is it A. Clouds, B. The moon, or C. The sun? Please write the letter. Number 7. What moon phase does this picture show? A. A full moon, B. New moon, or C. First quarter moon. Number 8. Which happens because Earth turns? A. The sun warms Earth, B. The moon has phases, or C. The sun seems to move across the sky. Number 9. How do stars look in the nighttime sky? A. They are scattered unevenly. B. They are set in a pattern of rings. Or C. They are set evenly across the sky. Number 10. Which picture shows the flag at the end of the day? Is it A. The picture with the long shadow, B. The picture with the short shadow, or C. Both pictures show the flag at the end of the day? Number 11. Yoon sees different stars on a winter night than he sees on a summer night. Why? A. You can see stars only in the winter sky. B. Clouds may block the stars in summer. Or C. You can see different stars in different seasons. Number 12. Which object can you see in both the daytime and nighttime skies? Is it A. The sun, B. The moon, or C. Stars? Inquiry in the big idea. For 13 and 14, you are going to write the answers to these questions. Number 13. You want to get a closer look at the stars in the sky. What tool can help you see the stars better? How does this tool help you? Please write those answers down for number 13. Number 14. Compare and contrast the stars and the moon. What is one way they are the same? Name a way that they are different. Once you complete the written responses for 13 and 14, you are finished your unit review. Mighty scientists, we have come to the end of our science lesson. I want to thank you guys for working so hard during this period. I know you did an amazing job on your Unit 8 review. If you're not finished, that's okay. Remember, it's due on Tuesday. But I am very appreciative of how attentive you were during this lesson and how much work you put into being a mighty scientist today. Don't forget, right now at 12:30 is our recess period. So I would like to see you guys during our recess. I have sent that link to your Sankofa email. So go ahead and join us for the Congo Nation recess. And I will see you again on Tuesday.